Now I am asking some GK questions. Okay, please answer it. Okay. What is our country name?
India.
Who is the Prime Minister of India? What is the national animal of India? What is the national bird of India? What is the national fruit of India?
Mango.
What is the national tree of India? What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
What is the national anthem of India? What is the national song of India? What is the national vegetable of India? What is the national game of India?
Hockey.
Which is the national calendar of India? Which is the national river of India? National river. What is the national currency of India?
Indian rupee.
Which is the national reptile of India?